Hi everyone. In today's video, we're taking a look at the MUZ Tea Premium Instant Milk Green Tea Powder Mix. A huge thank you to MUZ Tea for sending this over for me to try out. It comes in this convenient resealable bag, and inside we have 15 individual sachets. Let's go ahead and get all these out so you can see them. Here is a closer look at the sachet itself. At the back, we have the instructions. Simple, empty the powder mix and add 120 milliliter of water. Let's see. The sachet is actually a bit tough to tear open. I think I'll definitely be using scissors next time. The powder has a great milky aroma. First, the powder goes into the cup, followed by 120 milliliters of water. And yes, I made sure to pre-measure it. You can see that vibrant green color immediately. Let's give it a taste. It's incredibly creamy with a really nice balance of green tea flavor. It has just the right amount of sweetness too. I highly recommend it. Honestly, it is like something you'd get from a professional cafe or restaurant. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.